So to begin my curry, I start by chopping up some chocho, just some ordinary vegetables, some chocho, some carrots, some sweet peppers, and it's mostly green. I should have called this a green curry. Some cucumbers. A lot of people will wonder about the cucumbers, but they are very juicy in it. All my vegetables, okras, some fresh scallion and thyme, garlic of course, and a pepper, and I'll roast these in the oven before adding them to my curry. So for seasoning, I have here some cumin, a half a teaspoon of cumin, roughly the same amount of oregano, a half a teaspoon of sage, I love sage, roughly a half a teaspoon of Indian curry, and turmeric. Yeah, it's a lot of turmeric, so it's more than half a teaspoon. It's about a teaspoon. Yeah, about a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric goes really nice with garam masala, especially in making curry, but I don't have it now, but I'm just mentioning that right here. So it's nice to pair turmeric and garam masala together, I have discovered. Alrighty, so here I start with regular Dutch pot. I add about 3 tablespoons of oil to that. I'm using regular vegetable oil, and I chopped up the garlic and scallion, some of the pepper, about half of the pepper and some of the thyme. So adding this now to the oil to fry it out. I should have added some pimento flavor. The flavor would have been so, it'll blow you away, but it's okay, it's great. So after a few minutes, about a minute, right? A few seconds I've been frying for, I added my seasoning that I showed you earlier, and allow these to just saute in, just absorb all the flavors, just combine together. It is so rich already, look at it. Now I add in my chickpea. I added about a cup and a half of chickpea, and I'm going to add in some coconut milk, half a cup of coconut milk. Altogether I'm using a full cup of coconut milk. So to begin with, I had a half cup first, and to let it simmer. Add in a sprinkling of salt. Altogether I use about a full teaspoon of salt, and that is some black pepper, about a half a teaspoon. Notice I am just saying about everything because I really did not measure the seasoning, but no, just season according to your, with the salt and the pepper, according to your liking, more or less. But black pepper is really essential in the turmeric. It enhances the flavor of the turmeric. Alright, so after it has simmered, I'm adding some of the chickpea water. This is a 1/4 cup of the chickpea water, and some more coconut milk. Now to my beautiful roasted vegetables. They're almost cooked, so they don't need to stay in this pot for very long at all. So I'll just be adding some more water, a little bit more salt, and letting it simmer down for about 3 to 5 more minutes, honestly. And I need a lot of sauce in it, so we don't want it to dry out too much. We want it to be rich and creamy. Yeah. Alright, look at how rich that is already. So this is after about a minute. It's bubbling down, and I have decided to pair this with my quinoa and red peas combination. I don't really know what to call it yet. And this is my Sunday dinner. I'm trying it, and thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for watching. Blessed love.